Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope you all are well and safe at home. Guys, today in this video I will share with you recent job openings from Italy. So as you know, now the COVID-19 situation is critical in India. So there have some office and visa consultancy are closed. So guys, still there are some countries they starts to hiring foreign employees. So guys, if you have a dream to move European country with a job, please keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the latest job openings from Italy and check it out. If you are eligible for this job, you can apply as soon as possible. So guys, let's start. The job is agricultural and industrial machinery mechanics and repairs required in Italy. Job location Italy. Job requirements educational level offered secondary education. Employer name is the company name is NEWAG. This is from Italy. The company sector manufacturing of railway locomotives and rolling stocks. Guys, if you were interested to apply, you can apply as soon as possible. Education need no experience requirements, as you can see here. Guys, if you are interested to apply, please forward your updated CV with your all documents to the given official email ID. If you have any previous experience in the relevant field, mention it. It will be a great for your future and for your selection process. So guys, as you can see here, this is the latest job openings from Italy related to harvesting jobs, agricultural jobs. As you know, many times Canada and Italy, they are always requiring the foreign employees for all agricultural or harvesting jobs. So if you are related to this professionals, you can apply, or if you have really interest to apply any of this job, you can apply as soon as possible. The thing is, now slowly many countries are starts to hiring and there they have openings for job vacancies. So if you were interested to move any country with a job, please apply as soon as possible. This is a chance where you can enter in a country with a job, and after that, after 6 months or 1 year, you can find your own professional job. This is a entry chance. So guys, my suggestion will be same for you. Please apply as soon as possible. This is the latest job openings from Italy and it's related to agricultural jobs. Don't be late, apply as soon as possible by the process. And the last date of application, don't worry for that, and it will be extend and they are still requiring for the applications, so you can apply as soon as possible. And I hope you will get a reply to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, they will guide you how to process for the visa and all details. So guys, again I would like to tell you, this is a recent job openings from Italy. Italy is a European country, all of you know that, and now the COVID-19 situation is slowly down and it will be normalized after a few days. So don't worry, you just apply and you just try to attend the interview. Once you success from the interview, you can proceed for the visa and you can move Italy with this job. So guys, my suggestion will be same to all of you guys. Apply as soon as possible if you are looking for a abroad job. And lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. And in the next video, I will try to give you the information about abroad job. And I am trying to give you the informations across the world. Any of country they are hiring, start to hiring employees, any kind of jobs, any type of profile, and I'm trying to give you the informations. So guys, try again and again and try to reach to attend the interview, try to reach the employee or the company. Of course you will get a success one day, so don't worry for that. Try again and again, of course you will get a success. So be positive and try. And this information you can share to all of your friends or candidates who are looking for a abroad job. They can apply as soon as possible, and I hope you all of guys getting a success from this information. Again, lots of thanks for your valuable time. Next video I will try to give you informations. As I already told you, I will try to give you, so don't worry for that. Keep watching this channel and hope you will get a new informations from other countries, and I hope you will get benefits from this channel. So guys, again, thanks. Bye bye.